When it comes to organizing your life, most of us tend to get lost in the weeds and end up adding a dash of frustration to our never-ending pile of to-dos. Now, after years of researching, talking about, and experimenting with different organizational tools and techniques, I've finally narrowed it down to 3 simple practices that have been and are currently helping me organize my life in a stress-free way. Starting with number 1, what exactly are you organizing? Probably one of the most overlooked steps is categorizing that which you are trying to organize in the first place. Most of us take on this challenge by keeping it broad and open-ended. So like saying, I want to organize my time, or I want to organize my life. Hey, you clicked on this video, so consider yourself part of this lovely bunch. On the other hand, some people start by focusing on the itty-bitty details, like spending 30 minutes picking what theme they want their Google Calendar to look like. Now, a more efficient way of getting organized is by setting SMART goals for each of the 8 life areas. Please note that you are not obligated to use these ones. I've seen people split their life into 12 or 3 areas. You do you, bro. The takeaway message here is to have a visual representation of the areas that make up your life, because they are all alive and kicking, and they each need some level of organizing and attention in order for you to feel less like a chicken running around without its head. Let's take the I want to organize my time as an example. We've already established that this is just too broad a statement for you to take on. So once you've identified your life areas, you can more easily pinpoint where exactly you want to better manage your time. Say you better want to organize your time at work so that you have more of it to dedicate to your other life areas, like your love life or your health/fitness. See how powerful this circle exercise can be? Not only did we narrow down where we want to get more organized, but we were quickly able to see how this change would impact the other areas of our life. Number 2, how to prioritize it all. Okay, that's all fine and dandy, but what happens if you have stuff to organize in each of your 8 or 12 life areas? Which one or ones take priority? Surely they're all important, aren't they? Well, yes, but some are in a subtle way more important than others. A key way of prioritizing what you should organize first, your finances, your workout routine, your family, chore calendar, is to find your 2 big fish. The first one, if you do not organize first, will make the majority or all of your other life areas suffer. And I mean suffer, not inconvenience. For example, if your finances aren't in order and you're in like massive debt, I guarantee you that this financial instability will lead to fights over money with your partner, an inability to change your physical environment, being more tired or on edge at work, so your performance takes a deep dive. And I mean, you can do the entire wheel, it just won't look good, okay? The second big fish is the one that if you organize first, it will lead to positive changes in the majority or all of your other life areas. Although this exercise seems simple at first glance, it can be quite tricky because, like I said before, they are all important, but they can and should be ordered in terms of impact. Still having a hard time finding your big fish? Add deadlines and effort to the mix. If organizing your finances can be solved by one phone call to your bank, then what are you waiting for? If your boss gave you a deadline of like 2 weeks to improve your performance, then that should take priority. You feel me? Moving on to number 3, taking the necessary steps. Organization doesn't happen overnight. And if you don't take consistent action to get organized, then the 2 steps we just saw together won't help you one bit. It's one thing to say that you need to take care of your mental and physical health, but a complete other level to actually sit down and schedule all of your medical checkups for the entire year. If you find goal setting and dissecting challenging, I encourage you to consider getting your hands on my goal planning workbook, because I am taking you through every single step to achieve your goals successfully. All you have to do is simply follow along. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, everyone. But before I drop off, I would like to tell you a little bit about today's sponsor, SHEIN. I've been buying from SHEIN since my very first day at uni, when I had a limited budget but knew the importance of personal branding. Now, what most people don't know about SHEIN is that they carry different brands in their online shop, such as Motive, Emery Rose, Romwe, Daisy, Musol, Simply Retro, and many more. I've been loving integrating their pieces into my existing collection, and am currently still building my dream professional wardrobe with the help of SHEIN and the many brands they hold in store. Fall is honestly my favorite season to shop sweater dresses and warm tights or coats on their website. I've also recently got a few wedding/ball gowns for weddings and upcoming Christmas parties, so definitely don't overlook that section. It will definitely surprise you. They currently also have everything you need to prepare for Halloween, might I add, from decor pieces to costumes, and you know what, even dog hats and accessories. So there's something for everyone on there. If you like any of the pieces shown in this clip, or you want to check out some more, I invite you to click the link in the description box below. All the items I've tried on are in there as well. And don't forget to use the coupon code Q2anamascara at checkout if you end up seeing something that you like. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!